So what is OMAD? OMAD stands for 1 meal a day. OMAD is part of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is any series of different schedules that you can use in order to allow your body to rest and to fast. So there is the 16-8, where you go 16 hours without eating, and then you eat all of your calories within an 8-hour window. Then there's 18-6, 18 hours of fasting, 6 hours of your eating window. So this doesn't mean that you gorge in your eating window. It just means that all of your calories that you would normally have during a day, you eat within that specific time frame. The warrior diet is intermittent fasting, but done in a 4-hour frame. So 20 hours without eating and 4 hours of an eating window. Now, why would someone do fasting? Like, in our society where food is plenty available, why would we want to fast? Well, fasting has some amazing benefits, and I will get into those benefits in another video. But there's such amazing benefits. And as I've said previously, the mental clarity, the spiritual clarity, and all of the healing that is possible as your body rests in the fasting state. So instead of constantly being in digestion mode, which a lot of us are as we graze throughout the day, or like I was taught when I did the bodybuilding diet, typically bodybuilders, when we weight train, we would eat between 2 and 3 hours and then basically do that all day long. So the belief behind that was that it keeps your metabolism fired up. What I didn't realize at the time was that it was also keeping my insulin levels sky high all the time, because my body was constantly, being fed. So the insulin levels would increase. As I got older, I realized that the weight wasn't coming off as easily as it had in the past. So I gained significant weight back within the last 2 years. And now, being 44, it just wasn't as easy no matter what I did. And I did a lot of research. I read a lot. I talked to a lot of people. And I realized that with such amazing benefits of fasting, not only for, of course, weight loss and the other things I've already mentioned, but the fact that I was really allowing my body to do what it needed to do, which was get the appropriate rest and the time to heal. So I was finally allowing my body to do that. And it's amazing. Now I'm going to give you some more information as we continue going through this course, so you will know exactly what to do. I know the idea seems a little scary, eating 1 meal a day, but I assure you, your body adapts over time, and your hunger eventually goes away, or when you do get the waves of hunger, they're just really temporary.